Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to demonstrate how to track current cyclones that are taking place over the oceans. It is very essential to understand some basic concepts of climatology which is mandatory to study the formation of cyclone. We have something called as high pressure area and low pressure area. High pressure area is characterized with the region where the atmospheric pressure at the surface is greater than its surrounding environment, whereas low pressure area is a region with atmospheric pressure is lower than its surrounding environment. We have winds, which is the flow of gases on a larger scale. Wind moves from high pressure to low pressure areas. High pressure area is characterized with low temperature, whereas low pressure area is characterized with high temperature, which means that wind blows from low temperature areas to high temperature area. This diagram shows the formation of cyclone. As I said, cyclones are formed at low pressure areas. So winds from all surrounding high pressure areas are coming at a point towards the low pressure area, and once they come at a point, they become large revolving vortices in the atmosphere, which may move 12 to 14 kilometers vertically and more than 300 kilometers horizontally. The place at the center is known as eye of the cyclone. The situation is very calm over here. While moving, the cyclone pick up energy from the warm ocean and they become very disaster one. There are different names given based on the cyclones, which may called as tropical cyclones in the Indian Ocean, hurricanes in Caribbean Sea, typhoons in China, Willy Willy in North Australia, and so on. So let us begin with the demonstration of tracing like cyclone. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then please click on like button. The first thing that you have to do is go on search engine and type earth.nerdschool.net. Once you click on this website, globe will appear showing direction of lines. These lines move in a particular direction, showing the movement of winds. Cyclones are a normal phenomena occurring over the ocean, but when these cyclones dissipate near the coast, it becomes disaster as it creates cyclonic rainfall, gusty winds, and so on. Cyclones are of different types based on wind speed, which may be categorized into cyclonic storms, severe cyclonic storms, very severe cyclonic storms, extremely severe cyclonic storms, and so on. This region is India, this side is Arabian Sea, and this side is Bay of Bengal. One low pressure area is formed in Bay of Bengal, which gave rise to cyclone. This cyclone is very close to West Bengal now. The name of this cyclone is Yaas. It has affected the eastern coastal states of India such as Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, and even Andaman and Nicobar Island. If you want to track the speed of the wind, then click on any place over a cyclone. The wind speed of that particular place will be shown in the left down corner of the screen. Here you can see 94 km per hour. If you want to see the wind speed of other place, then click on that particular area. Here it is shown 89 km per hour. Click on the eye of the cyclone. The wind speed will be very less. You can see here 14 km per hour, 10 km per hour, and so on. Now let us track some other cyclones as well. There is cyclone here. Here also one depression is found. Now here both pressure areas are found. Here it is high pressure area and here it is low pressure area. Now why this region is high pressure area? The basic characteristic of high pressure area is wind moves away from the high pressure area. So here also it is observed that the wind direction is moving outward, which state that this is high pressure area. Whereas on the other hand, here this is low pressure area because winds from surrounding direction comes at this point, thus this demarcate low pressure area. If you see the speed, it is 37 km per hour at this point. Now these were the cyclones that were observed in the northern hemisphere. One interesting fact that you have to know that all the cyclones taking place in the northern hemisphere spins anti-clockwise or counter-clockwise direction, whereas it is in the southern hemisphere, which shows clockwise direction spin. This line shows equator, which divides the northern and southern hemisphere. The cyclone near the Bay of Bengal spins in anti-clockwise direction. Here also anti-clockwise direction. Here also if we see, it is anti-clockwise direction. Now let us observe the cyclones of the southern hemisphere. This is southern hemisphere. Here also you can see the movement is clockwise direction. This region is Antarctica continent. There are low pressure areas generated around Antarctica. All these low pressure areas are in clockwise direction. Here also it is clockwise spin. Here also it is same. In Indian Ocean, we experience tropical cyclones. More cyclonic activities are normally observed in the Bay of Bengal as compared to Arabian Sea. But recent statistics from Indian Meteorological Department and also from RSMC reveals that even more cyclones have taken place recently in Arabian Sea due to more warming of Arabian Sea water. Well, there are many more things to explore about cyclones. If you have any doubt, then please ask in the comment section. If you like this video, please press the like button, do share the video among your friends and spread the knowledge of cyclone. Thank you.